How to check Spotify Wrap on computer. So there are two ways to do that. The first one is by simply opening your Spotify application on your computer, and then once you're on your account, go on the search bar and then type here Wrap and then the year. After that, simply tap on search. And then in here, it's supposed to show you your Spotify Wrap. If this doesn't work on your account, the next thing that you can do is by simply opening your browser, and then in here on the search bar, type Spotify Wrap 2024. After that, tap on search, and then in here it will automatically show you this option, your 2024 Wrap. What we need to do is to tap on this one, and then after that, it will automatically show you your Spotify Wrap. So in here, it says that I didn't listen enough to get my own Spotify Wrap this year. But if you are a fan on listening on your Spotify account, you're supposed to see your Spotify Wrap here. So those are the ways on how you can check Spotify Wrap on computer. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!